Guys, in the last video we have discussed regarding the types of training, basically what kind of training is given and why it is important. Now let's move ahead. Once the training is planned, and the next question comes, how is it actually delivered to employees? And that is where methods of training comes in. So in simple terms, methods of training is all about how training is delivered to employees. That means it explains, like, methods of training explains how the training is conducted. So there are two types of methods, basically on the job training method and off the job training method. So now let's understand both in simple and practical way. So now guys, as you can see here, what are the methods of training? So methods of training tells us how the training is given, and there are two methods, on the job training method and off the job training method. When we talk about on the job training method, that simply means learning happens at the workplace while doing the actual job. So employee learn in the real life scenarios, real life situations. And when we talk about off the job training method, so training happens away from the workplace, so sometimes in the classroom, sometimes in the training rooms, conferences, seminars, and many more. So on the job training methods, for the example of on the job training method, the example could be, instead of just theory, they get the hands-on experience, basically. So when we talk about the both two types of methods, so there could be various methods, like on the job training methods. There are methods of JIT, job instruction training, apprenticeship, job rotation, coaching, understudying, mentoring. So these are the methods of on the job training methods. When we talk about off the job training methods, so as you can see here, lectures, seminars, simulations, case studies, role plays, in basket trainings, conferences, group discussion. So these are the methods of the job training methods. So now let's understand one by one each and every each and every method of the training. So when we talk about job instruction training, JIT, that is called in short JIT. So JIT is all about job instruction training. Here the trainer gives step by step instructions. For example, a senior shows a worker actually how to operate a machine. So this is simple, direct, and practical way of learning. When we talk about the apprenticeships, so apprenticeship is something which is a long-term training where learning happens under an expert. For example, electrician or technicians learn from the experienced workers over the time. So it basically focuses on the learning by doing and gaining experiences. So now next we talk about when we talk about job rotation. So as its name suggests, here employees are moved across the different roles or departments. For example, an employee work in production department can work under the quality department, then maintenance department. So this helps them to develop multiple skills and a broader understanding. Now coaching, personal guidance by a manager or senior. So for example, a manager helping an employee to improve the performance or solve basically work related problems. So this is called a coaching. When we talk about understudy, here an employee works basically closely with a senior to learn their role. जैसे you could say an assistant learning how to manage and handle the responsibilities, how to handle the like queries, how to handle the grievances, and so many things. So under studies is basically all about to working closely with a senior to learn their role, how they have to handle, how they have to means behave in that particular role. So it's all about uh, the understanding. So when we talk about mentoring, so mentoring is a long term guidance relationship. जैसे mentors होते हैं ना, जैसे mentors a senior guiding a junior in a career growth and a development. So it focuses on the overall growth, not just work related task. जैसे mentors होते हैं बेसिकली यू कुड से जो आपके फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ के मेंटोर्स हो गए और गेम एक्टिविटीज़ के मेंटोर्स. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड बेसिकली मेंटोर. ओके, so these are the methods of on the job training methods in details. So OJT is basically on the job training methods is equals to learning by doing the actual work. It simply means learning by doing the actual work. So overall, when we talk about on the job training methods, now when we talk about off the job training methods, so off the job training methods can be different types, like something happens, this is a something like there's a big difference here. Employee or participant will learn as well, but there is a big difference here. Training happens away from the actual workplace. Employees can learn in a separate environment like some classroom or some training rooms. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेक्चर्स, कहाँ पर लेक्चर्स होते हैं? लेक्चर्स वेयर वी कैन कंडक्ट द लेक्चर्स. सो लेक्चर्स इन अ क्लासरूम स्टाइल कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन बाय द सम ट्रेनर. तो लेक्चर्स आर द ट्रेनर एक्सप्लेन्स द कॉन्सेप्ट इन अ क्लासरूम फॉर्मेट. HR explaining the company's policy or concept. So they are basically giving some kind of lecture. So this can be happen in a classroom or something like training room or some conference room activity. So when we talk about the case study, so case study is basically the analyze the real business problem and suggest solutions. When we talk about case studies, so case study is all about to employ when case study is all about to employees are given the real world problems to analyze. For example, solving a business problem and suggesting solutions. This is called the case study. कि you have to given a case or something, like there's some problem. I suppose if I give you some problem and you need to solve that particular problem by giving your own opinions. This could be different persons can have they can have the different opinions. Suppose if in case I might have my different opinion and you could solve that particular problem by your opinion. So it's depend on the person to person choice ki how they can tackle the problem. So it depends on the case study. So nobody will wrong, like इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई wrong नहीं होता है, but each and everybody have their own opinion to solve the problem. Now role play. So role play is another employee learning activities. So in the role play, as its name suggests, where the employees act our real life situations. For example, जैसे कि क्या होता है कि रोल प्ले, जैसे सपोज आपको कोई एक रोल प्ले करना होता है, देन यू हैव टू play the role of your manager or your colleague or your something like customer or some interview scenarios. तो it improves basically the confidence and communication. You have to, जब आप दूसरों का रोल प्ले करते हो तो आपको उनकी जगह पर अपने आप को, मतलब कि उनकी अपने आप को उनकी जगह पर रख करके देखने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है. तब आपको समझ में आता है कि हाउ दे कैन फील इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियोस, प्रॉब्लम में कैसा फेस करते होंगे. सो नाउ व्हेन about the simulation, so simulation is another a real environment is created artificially. So जैसे fight simulations हो गया और machine simulation for the training, तो it allows the practice without the real risk. Now group discussion is another of the job training method, where the employees sit together, they share their ideas and discuss the topic. For example, discussing workplace challenges in a group, so this is called the group discussion. So seminars and conferences, this is another a kind of on off the job training, where experts come, they share their knowledge, they share their experience, and it basically helps the employees to learn about latest trends and industry related practices. Now when we talk about in basket training, so in basket trainings, this is something a bit different. In basket trainings में क्या होता है कि employees handle the tasks like emails, how to respond the emails, how to generate the reports, how to solve the problem. जैसे for example कि managing multiple tasks like a real manager. You are not a manager, but even then you will have to solve that particular problem, or to be the multitasking at the same time, solve the problem just like a manager. So it improves the decision making and prioritizing skills. So overall of the job training is equals to learn before doing the actual work. That means learning away from the workplace. So there's a key, as I have already already discussed about the same key. What is the major difference on the job training methods? Learning by doing the actual work. When we talk about the off the job training methods, that means कि learn before the doing the actual work, है ना, away from the workplace, the classroom or training room activities, or control the environment कि वहाँ आपको उस particular environment में नहीं जाना होता, but even then you have to मतलब learn वो scenarios में आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So conclusion की बात करें, so these are the main methods of training used in the industry. In simple terms you can say कि methods of training explains how training is delivered to the employees. Both methods are important and are useful based on the training needs, based on the types of job, and based on the, I could say, a learning objective. So now here's something interesting. In the real organization, choosing the right training method is very important, very important. And in this way, in our next video we will understand which training method is best and when to use it. So apart from that, we will also learn the 4 P's of the training industry. What are the 4 P's of training in what are the 4 P's in a training industry, in learning and development. So if you found this video useful, so please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your colleagues, also your L&D friends, so that we can do it in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you once again, guys. We will meet in the another video. Thank you once again.